Okay, the first step in changing the oil on the vacuum packing machines. Now this is the same procedure whether you've got the Boxer series or the Jumbo series with a smaller control panel. Both machines have a conditioning program button which you switch the machine on, you switch that button, the letter C will appear in the display. Now you close the lid of the machine and the machine is now going to vacuum for 15 minutes. That's to heat the oil up to a good temperature. Okay, at this point the oil will now be heated up. Open up the oil filler plug, and depending on what machine you've got, if you've got a Boxer series, there's a plug underneath here that you will need an Allen key to open it up, and that's where you oil from. If you've got a Jumbo series, you'll have a black plug here and your oil sight window here. But let's pretend that's your black oil plug, which we will undo. Just use a socket set or a shifter spanner, something like that. Now before we open that all the way with the oil out, here's where I get a plastic bag. I fold the top of it over. I use an Allen key in that fold just to hold it, and then I shove it in there like so, catch the oil. Then we continue to undo this and you'll see the oil draining out. Not much comes out. There's not a lot in these machines. And the reason we heated the oil up was any muck and gunk and solid objects that are in the pump, it should loosen those, and that will come out with the oil. The conditioning button that we pressed to start off, which ran the machine for 15 minutes, hopefully you're pressing that once a week to condition the pump. Practice to do that, even if you do it more than once a week, but please at least do that once a week. Okay, we've got most of our oil out. At that time you will put your plug back in, wipe off any excess oil, just nip that up. And with the oil supplied, we now will fill that until there is a little bubble left at the top. Like so. Put your plug back in, just nip that up, and you're ready to go again.